Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna change the coil and spark plug on the driver's side. As you can see, I already started to remove the wheels, started to remove the apron and the fender cover. So there are 5 T25 torque screws, and then this cover comes right off. Okay, next I'm going to remove the rear bumper cover. I'm going to start by removing the tail lights. There's a couple screws here, and then this slides out. Same with that side. And then there's a few screws on top here, and a few on the bottom. Okay, I got all the screws out, I think. Let's start trying to remove the bumper cover. Got the screw out removed here and here. And so this just pops out. Do the same on the other side. Slides back a little and just pops out, and looks like it should be coming off. There's the cable to disconnect, which is I have parking sensors on mine, which is right here. Okay, as you could see, I got the rear bumper cover off. I just disconnected the wire harness for the parking sensor, and then I had a wire cable, video cable for the backup camera that I installed. Next, I'm going to remove the intercooler that you see there. Okay, so I remove the bolts here, loosen that bolt, and move that bolt, and there's a couple more here. I'm gonna remove, looks like this one and this one, and then the hose clamp. Okay, I think I got all the bolts off. There's a few bolts under here, a couple bolts here to the heat shield, and one more here, and then I undid the, as you can see here, the clamp for the hose here, and one up here in there. So let me try it. There we go. And there we go. This heat shield should lift up out of the way. Go. And spark plug and the coil should be right behind this heat shield, so I'm going to remove that next. There's one that I could see there. This is going to be in the way, so I'm going to have to remove this for this one. Okay, I'm going to start with the easiest of the 3 on the driver's side. The one on the right, that, as you can see there. Next we got that, which we got all the coolant and oil lines in the way that's going to the turbo, and then the last one there is also going to be a pain because we got these two items in the Okay, I got that one coil off, and about to get this spark plug out using a long extension. There we are. Okay, it took me a while to try to squeeze this coil pack out. These pipes are in the way, but I was managed to squeeze it out. I really didn't want to remove these pipes here. Okay, I'm doing the last one. As you can see there, it's good to have a ball and Torx head since that's in the way.